Welcome back to the DIY Del Sol restoration project brought to you by Resin Auto Co. My trunk has a bit of rust in it, and I wanted to make sure that it was protected from rust for years to come. So in this episode, we're going to remove the rust and paint the entire trunk with Eastwood's Rust Encapsulator. Heather's my helper again for this project, and she got right to work removing the interior trunk pieces. To do this is pretty simple. You'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver and a pry tool. On the driver's side panel, you'll need to unplug the trunk light before you can remove the panel like an absolute boss the way Heather just did. Victory dance! Anyway, the rest of the panels are pretty easy to remove. You just need to be careful and patient since this is a relic from the 1900s. I know I just made someone younger than me feel old. Sorry about that. Anyway, once all the interior pieces were removed, Heather got to work schmurdering the rust with a wire wheel. We then vacuumed the trunk out, which I don't have footage of for some reason, and then I wiped it clean with some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel. Once it dried, we taped off the sides to collect the overspray, and Heather rust encapsulated the entire trunk. It came out great, and it dried pretty quickly. You're going to want to keep the trunk open and let the paint fully dry before you close it. So just be prepared for the weather to be good and for it to not rain that day, or to have the car covered while the paint dries, like in a garage or something. Wait until the paint dries completely before reassembling the interior, and you'll have a nicely painted, protected trunk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.